Ako rin si Jeff from Wash Monkey, manager. And introduce na ako sa inyo ang Avant-Garde ceramic tent. Muna ang pinakaunang Avant-Garde ceramic tent sa Northern Mindanao. Ang akong i-clarify is, hindi siya, ang nakalahi sa Avant-Garde ceramic tent is higher content siya ceramic. Mas klaro o hayag bisan gabi. Ang name sa mong car wash is Wash Monkey. Naka-located siya sa Masterson along the highway at lang siya sa Corpus Christi. Ang among available na services is ceramic coating, ceramic tent, car wash, set detailing, interior, buffing. May plan for expansion outside the Cagayan de Oro. So hopefully we can serve you. Wash Monkey is open 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. For tent is 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Open Monday to Sunday po.
Ay, nako, sa Wash Monkey.